Hello, this is day four. It is day four of talking in front of a camera to improve my communication skills in English because um, I am not that fluent in English anymore. I used to be fluent, but I stutter nowadays. I just so today I just woke up at 11 p.m. and still a bit sleepy, but I have a resume to work on to edit because mm, later in in school we had an interview for our work immersion. It's about us students going to fields of work, like for example Red Cross for medical mm, medical related things, LGU for government, and teacher. So yeah, um, in the interview, I did stutter a little bit in English, but in the end of my interview, I used Taglish because it's hard for me to form sentences in English. I'm running out of words to say, or yeah, words to say. I need to work on that, and yeah, I have run out of words. Bit. So yeah, um, I just uh, with my lamp is running out of battery, and I'm I'm still sick from the flu, and I hope I would post this publicly. Hopingly, this is unlisted. All of my previous videos, they are unlisted. I am still shy. I am not. Um, I'm still shy to show my progress on the internet. Um, Perhaps I would post them publicly now. I will make them publicly someday if I became serious in my YouTube career. But I still have a business, a side. It's not a side. Yeah, I think it's a side hustle. Anyways, I'm still learning. I'm still learning in my life, and I hope um, I'll achieve everything I wanted, and that's it for now. Sorry, my voice is kinda hurting. Yeah, it's kinda dry. Yeah, so I still don't have the energy to, but I will keep posting. Be consistent. That's all. That's 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 the thing that you need to do. Be consistent, and also comment if you're a foreign viewer, because I would love to chat um, with you. And that's it for now. And anyways, thank you for watching my video. And yeah, my plans for to my plans for tomorrow, I guess, is make a script. I haven't made a script for this. This is impromptu. I just speak to the camera. That's it. I film myself in front of a camera and speak what comes to comes to my mind. So that is why I sometimes stutter, sometimes mental block. I sometimes mental block myself. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video. Goodbye. Take care. Okay? Take care of yourself. Drink water, lots and lots of water. So goodbye again. Bye.